Welcome to SaaS Beast Pro. In this video, I will show you how to save files in Google Colab and explain the simple steps so you can access your work anytime. Let's get started right away. Step 1. Go to the Google search bar and type Google Colab. This is the platform where you can run Python code directly in the cloud without installing anything. Step 2. Click on the very first link that appears. This will take you straight to the Google Colab homepage. Step 3. Click on New Notebook. A blank notebook will open where you can begin your work. Step 4. Once the notebook opens, look at the top left corner to see the file name. By default, it will have an untitled name. Step 5. Your notebook is automatically saved in Google Drive with the same file name. This means you never have to worry about losing your progress. Step 6. To check, open a new browser tab, click on the Google Apps dots in the top right corner, and select Drive. Step 7. In Google Drive, you will see your Colab file saved with the same name you saw earlier. Step 8. To rename the file, click on the file name in Colab, type the new name you want, and press Enter. Step 9. Go back to Google Drive and confirm the file is saved automatically with the new name you just gave it. Step 10. To continue your work later, simply open Google Drive and click on the saved Colab file. It will open instantly with all your previous work intact. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to SaaS Beast Pro for more helpful tutorials.